Hey there, another update on the wagon. This video, I'm going to show you where I'm at. I've been doing some putting together and just kind of test fitting and making sure that everything is still working so that I don't do too much work and then discover that I screwed up. All right, so I got the wagon, as you can see behind me, back on all four wheels and out of the garage in the fresh air. It needed some fresh air and some sunlight. I already took them back off, but I had the doors on, and I'll show a picture somewhere. I was going to post on Instagram. Had the doors on at least one side, and I had some of the front wrap on fenders, core support. So just so I could see what it looked like, just to kind of get me inspired and keep me going on this journey. Done quite a bit of work since the engine transmission was in last time, so I want to put them back in, make sure everything still fits and nothing got warped or tweaked or whatever. So I'm going to get my my little cherry picker out, and I'm going to get this engine on the hoist and see the best way to put it in. I need to find the motor mounts, which are over there, and the bolts for the motor mounts. And yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so I didn't have the camera on for all of this, and I was gonna do a time lapse, and I forgot. Sorry. So here we are, right about here. That's kind of where we're at right now, so far. And in car is halfway in the garage. Yeah, sorry, you missed all the fun, like the tail plug shaft plug thing falling out and leaking transmission fluid all over the place, which is lovely. Anyway, let me clean this up, and I'm going to put this on a time lapse so you can see the rest of it. Okay, wow, that was a long one. And so there it is. Back in the car. I was having some trouble because I realized that the exhaust manifolds cannot be turned so they dump downward because they hit the frame rails because it's really tight, so they have to go up, which is fine because I'll put turbo manifolds on them and I'll put turbos in the front. I'm going to hang the turbos. I'm going to hang the turbos in the front of the car, front of the engine. That'll be fine, and that'll work just great. It yeah, it all fits. It all fits pretty well. I had to take the coil packs off and the valve covers off in order to get it in. And I don't know if I'm gonna have enough clearance for the intake, especially the truck intake. So we'll see. It'll be interesting. Looks like I'm gonna need a very low profile intake manifold. So anyway, because all I have is the truck manifold that was off of this. Truck manifold is like, I don't know, it sits about yay high. So yeah, that probably ain't gonna work. I mean, I'll pull it out and I'll test it and see. Anyway, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna throw this up. I know it was just a big long time lapse. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I know a lot of people haven't, so that'd be cool if you did. MotoGeekster.com is coming soon, and I'm going to start selling merch. I have stickers already. I'm thinking about doing t-shirts and a hat and maybe trying to do some sort of fun graphic with this. I am officially calling it the Rust Nugget. Please like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.